Good morning, dear students. Welcome all of you in the 6th semester, and in this semester I am going to teach you one very important subject. I am saying this subject is important because every year at least one news come out of building collapse. Why these buildings are collapsed? Because their maintenance work is not done properly and regularly. So, considering importance of this, MSBT introduced one important subject, and that subject is maintenance and repair of structure. So, guys, start this subject with unit number 1, basics of maintenance and repairs. This is presented by myself, Mr. Avinash Sargar. I am a lecturer of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. So, let us start unit number 1, basics of maintenance and repairs. First of all, see the syllabus which we are going to cover through this unit number 1. First of all, we will see the maintenance. What is the maintenance? Strengthening, rehabilitation and restoration. Dear students, this restoration, re-strengthening, rehabilitation, these are the concepts which are subtopics of the repair. After that, necessity is there, objective, importance of maintenance and repair, some factors which influence the maintenance and repair work. Also, we will go through the advantages and limitation of the maintenance and repair, and what should the approach we have to implement while doing the maintenance and repair. After that, periodical maintenance, maintenance manual which contains the building plan. We also go through the reinforcement detail, material sources, materials which we are going to use for maintenance and repair work. Maintenance frequency. Maintenance frequency means हर साल में कितने बार आप मेंटेनेंस करोगे. If I am doing the 2 times in year, then maintenance frequency is 2 per year. Also, pre and post monsoon maintenance there. So, let us start to the actual syllabus. Maintenance. What is the maintenance? Maintenance is the act of keeping something in good condition by checking or repairing it regularly. So, what are they saying? Maintenance एक process है in which regularly. So, this is the basic definition. Now, let us see the classification of maintenance. There are 3 types of the maintenance. First one is the routine maintenance, second one is the preventive maintenance, third one is the remedial maintenance. So, let us see in detail one by one. First is routine maintenance. What says the routine maintenance? Routine maintenance is the post construction activity. That means this maintenance is done after the construction activity. Second point is to resist early decay. Why we should carry out the routine maintenance? To resist the early decay of our structure. And this routine maintenance done weekly, monthly, quarterly, annually. Okay, routine maintenance can be done weekly, can be done monthly, can be done quarterly, can be done annually. Last point says that routine wall painting, woodwork painting, etc. etc. So, these are the various works which are carried out during the routine maintenance. So, this is all about the routine maintenance. Let us jump to the second type of the maintenance, that is the preventive maintenance. What says this maintenance? The preventive maintenance is also referred to as time based maintenance. Listen guys, preventive maintenance also did time based. Okay. So, in the other language I can say that it is periodic maintenance. This is done after specific time. As earlier in the first type I said that this is can be done quarterly, weekly, monthly, annually. So, same preventive maintenance can done weekly, quarterly, monthly, annually, which is you want preferable. Second point, preventive maintenance is performed in accordance with a predetermined plan of regular interval. Same thing, प्रिवेंटिव मेंटेनेंस इज प्री प्लान, इसका प्लान पहले ही किया जाता है, फिर उसके बाद उसको एग्जीक्यूट किया जाता है. द प्रिवेंटिव मेंटेनेंस ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर मीन्स इम्प्रूविंग द क्वालिटी ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड मेक्स it more durable with functionally strong. Right? Now next point says that the contract of this type of maintenance is generally having fixed cost. जो preventive maintenance किया जाता है, it has a fixed cost. If you are doing the maintenance in 2020, which is preventive, suppose it has a cost of 1 lakh, then same thing if you are going to do in 2021, it will have fixed cost. Also it has a fixed test. There are fixed tests which we have to do in every preventive maintenance. Also measurements, adjustments, part of replacement. There are certain parts which we are going to replace in preventive maintenance. Next point says preventive maintenance is the work that must be done regularly in order to minimize the possibility of breaking down the structural components and require costly emergency repairs. So this is maintenance, preventive maintenance, which is done for minimize the possibility of breaking down the structural components. And last point of this preventive maintenance is the preventive maintenance is always much cheaper and easier than repairs. This is important point. Preventive maintenance is cheaper and easier than repair. If once your structure get damaged, then it becomes very difficult to repair, and it also tends to now last type of the maintenance is remedial maintenance. Third and last type of the maintenance. Remedial maintenance is the process of removing decayed or damaged part of the structure which would require making something better than earlier. Sometimes what happen, the existing material of the any part get decayed, and during the remedial maintenance we are going to replace that decayed material with new material which can give the better strength to that part. That means in remedial maintenance we remove the decayed material. Remedial maintenance is the removal of any decayed as damaged part of the structure such that structure can perform well functioning. Obviously अगर हम कोई डिकेड मटेरियल रिप्लेस करते हैं अच्छे मटेरियल से, तो हमारे बिल्डिंग का जो फंक्शन है इट विल बी द प्रॉपर. Apart from taking all possibilities, preventive measures and applying routine maintenance, a structure may undergo some damages which would require to upkeep by remedial maintenance. Suppose sometimes we are doing the repairing work, at that time some damages are get happen to our structure. So in that case we have to make the remedial maintenance, we have to provide the remedial measures to that damaged part. Structural elements damaged below the level of acceptable standards. अगर कोई स्ट्रक्चर एक्सेप्टेबल स्टैंडर्ड्स के नीचे डैमेज होता है, सो इन दैट केस वी हैव टू अडॉप्ट remedial maintenance. Remedial maintenance is also referred as corrective maintenance. Remedial maintenance को हम corrective maintenance भी बोल सकते हैं. So this is all about the remedial maintenance. So guys, in this first lecture, this is sufficient for first lecture. Thank you so much.